He's the ageless rooster.
He is. He's checking her out. Hey. Ooh, that's a good one. Ooh, that might be a fossil. Keep petting that. Put that in there.
Look how colorful this is.
Where's the container at?
I'm sure this is a
He's mad at her.
Oh, you mad?
Why did you have to separate him from the others?
He's violent.
He doesn't like other chickens.
He fights that big rooster.
He's the karate chicken. Hey, you should call him karate chicken.
He's a noisy thing.
You go, hurry,
There he goes.